Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'll show you how you can easily scan a QR code using the PlayStation app, whether you're setting up your console or linking your account. First, open the PlayStation app on your smartphone. Sign into your PlayStation Network account. Now locate the QR code scanner in the app. Once you've selected the QR code scanner, align the QR code within the camera frame on your screen. Hold your phone steadily until the app recognizes and scans the QR code. The app will automatically process the code and direct you to the relevant page or action. After scanning, follow the on-screen instructions provided by the app. This might include logging in, confirming details, and completing additional steps based on what the QR code is for. And that's it for scanning a QR code on the PlayStation app. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you!